Fly just flew onto the camera as I'm doing this. May even cross the path of the, wow. Oh, a fly is on the camera as I'm showing my wall here. You know, this is my wailing wall. You know, a fly is a symbol of my father. This is the most miraculous thing that's ever happened to me. It's on my screen of the phone as I'm doing this. Wow. This is the remnants of the first and second temple for me. This is my wall. And I can't believe that the fly is on the camera. It's 1 inch from the lens. And it's just staying there. And you know the fly is a symbol of my father. There's no doubt to me. And so I'm being, this is amazing. Like, that's why I'm a little bit off here. Today is the 10th of Av, and it's the day of observance because the 9th of Av was on Saturday. You have to excuse me, this is the most miraculous thing that's ever happened to me. And I think the fly's on my, I don't know, it's flying around in front of the camera. It's on my hand. This is the most spiritual and miraculous thing that's ever happened in my life. That a fly is on my hand while I'm doing this. My father is a fly here. And I'm at the wall. It's still on my hand. It's almost not possible. I don't know how to show it. I'm going to try to show it. No, it's flying away. Yeah. It's on my arm. There, it flew across. Whoa. It almost makes what I was going to say ridiculous. I'm going to talk about everything being polymorphous, perverse, when the body is aligned correctly and the breathing operation is through the nose only. My idea now is that people don't need smoking because they breathe through the mouth. If they breathe through the nose, they wouldn't need smoking. Smoke goes through the mouth and everything. Anyway, I'm at the wall here. And the fly on the screen it's left me speechless. I forgot what I wanted to say. What I wanted to say is, have you been walking backwards? Have you been writing with the left hand? There's an article today in the newspaper about that all these mass murderers have a hatred towards women. Well, if there's a hatred towards, the fly is still on the screen. It's 3.5 minutes. There's a sign for me. So, have you been writing with the left hand? Have you been walking backwards? Huh? This wall is the last remnants of the first and second temple. And even in the 9th of Av, the destruction didn't end till the I think midday of the 10th of Av, which is the day we observe the entire fast. I don't know if you can't see it's walking on this, take my word for it. It's the most memorable event in my life. I don't know if it's on my body someplace. So I'm being communicated with the dead and the resurrection of the dead. And that's what the resurrection of the body is. And so the resurrection of the body for me is this, oh, it's flying across, it's on my hand again. It's almost not possible. Because this is Dad's park and basketball and a helped somebody in basketball yesterday. And quite frankly, I even helped this kid that's now walking here. And so, when the body is aligned properly, every breath is like an orgasm. When the body is held incorrectly, then you never feel that. Okay? And so, the point is how to loosen up, and it's very difficult in this society. May I suggest Feldenkrais exercises, or even Alexander technique, or any of these psychophysical body works. They help a lot, but one could do it themselves. So move from the aleph in the groin area, in the pelvic area. Have the pelvic balance. Every movement comes from the center, from Yesod. These are my fundamentals. Remember that the Mashiach, Messiah, was born on Tisha B'Av. What does that mean? That means that from the total destruction. And that's that fly on my hand here for 3 minutes. Whoa. Well, I'm doing a video that I wasn't even going to do. Right, in fact, of my wall, there are two walls here. For the first and second temple, but it's the first wall. Okay? It's the only wall. It's the same wall. It's the Wailing Wall. This is the wall I practice against each morning. And how are we going to... I'm at a loss for words. I'm on the right path.